I still like to read. Um, oh, what? I got a sister. Don't I look like it? Don't I